Welcome to the channel if you're new, or if you're not, I'm Alicia and I'm so glad you're here either way. Today we are making a dinner that is easier than it seems for how tasty and beautiful the final product is. My delicious tropical coconut cauliflower rice with seared scallops. Let's get started. First, we're going to make a delicious mango salsa. In a mixing bowl, combine mango, red bell pepper, jalapeños, seeded if preferred for less spiciness, red onion, cilantro, lime juice, and salt. Mix to combine and transfer to the refrigerator. This salsa is good on just about anything. Yum! Next, we're going to make a coconut cauliflower rice base. Simply add frozen cauliflower rice and coconut milk to a pan and allow the cauliflower rice to cook and absorb all of that coconutty goodness. I love changing the liquid that I use for cauliflower rice and regular rice actually to add richness and flavor variety. Okay, last but certainly not least are these beautiful and delicious seared scallops, and they're easier than you think. Start by patting your scallops dry with a paper towel and allow them to rest at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes. You want to make sure that your scallops are extra dry for the best sear. Next, melt butter in a pan over medium-high heat, or if you have leftover bacon grease, that's delicious. And once the pan is nice and hot, add your scallops and season them with salt and pepper. Now, just don't move them. You want to keep them in the same spot for a minute or so to get a nice and brown sear, and then flip them. If you find that your pan is getting too hot or smoking, turn the heat down slightly, but you really do want it to be pretty hot to get them browned. Season once more after flipping, cook for another minute or so on the other side, and finish off your scallops with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, some lemon zest, and maybe a little bit of parsley or fresh herbs. Look at this beautiful dish! It was so quick to put together, but it also looks impressive, might I say? Not to mention delicious. The coconut cauliflower rice paired with that mango salsa is so bright and fresh, and the seared scallops are rich and satisfying. You would never know that this whole meal took literally less than 10 minutes. Sometimes, when I skip the grain and opt for a veggie with that cauliflower rice, I find it fun to get some healthy carbohydrates from fruit instead of the grain. And it's a great reminder to me that we can get our nutrition from many different sources, and what's healthy can really look different for everyone. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe and will give it a whirl. Don't forget to head to mindovermunch.com for these recipes and so many more. I'll see you next time with a brand new episode, and remember, it's all a matter of mind over munch.